Hey everyone, in this video, we'll be comparing the SwitchBot K10 Plus and the K10 Plus Pro. If you're interested in either of these robot vacs and you want to find out more about them, the links to them will be in the video description. Let's go ahead and jump right in. The SwitchBot K10 Plus and K10 Plus Pro share identical dimensions of 9.8 by 9.8 and a height of 3.6 inches, allowing them to clean under low furniture such as sofas and beds efficiently. Their compact design enables effective navigation through narrow and low areas. In terms of cleaning performance, the K10 Plus features a suction power of 2,500 pascals, whereas the K10 Plus Pro boasts a stronger suction of 3,000 pascals for even more efficient cleaning. Both models are equipped with a 3,200 milliamp hour battery, offering identical cleaning durations of up to 150 minutes in quiet mode, 120 minutes in standard mode, 90 minutes in strong mode, and 60 minutes in max mode. The K10 Plus uses a rubber and hairbrush combo, while the K10 Plus Pro features a tangle-free rubber brush that is easier to maintain. Both models have a single side brush and employ HEPA filtration for effective dust and allergen capture. In navigation and obstacle avoidance, the K10 Plus uses LiDAR Slam, whereas the K10 Plus Pro enhances this with LiDAR Slam combined with a position-sensitive detector, PSD, for superior navigation around table and chair legs, wall edges, and corners. Regarding noise level, the K10 Plus Pro operates at 45 decibels in quiet mode. It features the same Silentech for advanced noise control found on the K10 Plus. Additional features for both models include support for mopping with wet wipes, a charging time of less than 4 hours, and integration into the SwitchBot ecosystem, which supports app control, virtual walls, schedule cleaning, and third-party controls. Both units have a 4-liter dust bag capacity, only requiring manual intervention every 90 days. However, the K10 Plus Pro offers enhanced features such as updated voice packs, 4-speed cleaning, and user-friendly improvements. The K10 Plus is generally positioned at a lower price point compared to the Pro version. At the time of this video, the difference was only about $20. For most of you out there, you have no reason not to spend a few bucks more and get the more refined K10 Plus Pro. In summary, the SwitchBot K10 Plus Pro builds upon the foundation of the K10 Plus by offering improved suction power and enhanced navigation, making it a superior choice for users seeking more refined cleaning capabilities and reduced maintenance.